laugh at me.
Do your thing. We're not here to laugh.
Has it started? I don't want it to be in here.
Come on, it's recording.
I don't know what to say.
And ready?
I don't know. Oh,
Behave.
okay.
What you said. Ready? And go.
I'm here back again with another video, and oh dang it. Oh. Okay, start it over. Okay,
Go.
hi guys, I'm here with my first video for Ava's Corner, and I'm going to be showing you my slime and doing a demonstration of making it. So yeah. What we need for our ingredients, this is what I would use in case like if I needed to write stuff down for my slime, my book. I just need a bowl and I suppose a fork because it's easier. And I have a container, which is a flatline container. So yeah, I have myself a container. And yeah, so I'm gonna get started. I don't know what color I want to use, but I guess I'll just make something. So I'm starting with my bowl and my fork. So right now I just have the stuff in front of me, what I'm going to be using, and I'm gonna be using the glue, and also I'm gonna have blue food coloring. And I have my bowl here, so all I'm gonna do is pour my glue into my bowl. I can open it. Oh. Don't want to get glue on the camera. Second one, this is my second one. It's Elmer's glue. My favorite thing to do is fart, so guys, be careful. Might poop on you with glue. That's good for now. So now what I'm gonna put, so I use my glue, so now I just have to put them to the sides to throw them away. And now I'm gonna add 2 to 3 drops of coloring, blue food coloring. 1, 2, just add a third one, people. Come on, you know what I mean. You want your colors bright and blue. So now all you want to do is stir it. It's my favorite part because I like whenever it looks like that because it looks so cool. So cool. Whip it like eggs. And if you don't feel good with the color, always just add another drop. Or as you can do, pour it out and get some more glue. Okay, next thing you want to do is, I don't have a shaving cream, so I am not gonna put shaving cream, but all you want to do is add your slime activator. And if this doesn't work, because last time I tried it, it didn't work, so I would add this. I bought a little kit that came with the slime activator, and if it doesn't work, like it didn't work for me when I tried it, all I would do is use some Stay Flow liquid starch. Right now I'm gonna try this out, and if it doesn't work, just add that. But that's how I do it. If other people, they can do it differently. So just add 1, 2, 3. And if this is a fail, I'm gonna cry. Oh, what am I doing? So now, as you can see, it looks like a really weird texture. So all you have to do now is stir it. And as you can see, like, I know, it doesn't work. And I've done this before, so it's okay. So now you just want to add the Stay Flow. What I like to do is add a little bit of it. So all I do is add it all the way to right there. As you can see, it's below the 1/8 cup. Pour that in there, man. Pour it in there. So this is beautifulness. No. And then you stir it, and it's getting really chunky, so you want to start stirring it really good. Ew. And whenever you could tell when it's starting to turn into slime, it starts to stick to the side of the bowl like it is right now. And it was my first time trying this, and it was actually, I never tried that, and I would just pour it in there and it would mess it up. So now I'm trying this and I'm gonna use it often, like I should be. So if it gets too hard for you to stir, all you wanna do is put some of this, just put a little bit on your hands, just a tiny bit. It's what I do. It's not a tiny bit, but like that. And then if you have sleeves on, push the sleeves up. And then you rub it in your hands, and you rub it all over your hands. And then you take it off the spoon. Fork. And also an easier way is to go like this. Which is not easier because, so it's still sticky, like super duper sticky. So we're gonna use the technique I used to use. Put it on that bubble. You did not see a thing that happened. And you could start going in with your hands like you do with tortilla juice. I said the wrong thing, with tortilla, whatever stuff. So you just want, all you need to do is keep stirring and stirring and stirring it, and then it'll start getting where it doesn't stick to the bowl. So right now it's getting to the time that you could get it off the bowl, and you could add more if you want to your hand so it doesn't stick, or you could lay it onto the table. And what I do when I lay stuff onto the table is I first clean out the bowl in case I'm going to use it again to make more slime. Clean out the bowl and I put it to the side for a little bit. And then I take that Stay Flow again and I just lay a little bit on the table. And I rub it around. Play with it, or don't play with it, but like, you know what I mean, right?
Say it again.
And as I like doing, well, I usually don't do it, but I asked my brother if he could go get the lotion for me, and so I can make it stretchy, and I got something the same. Oh. So my brother's gonna give me the lotion because I wanted some lotion. Thank you, Drew. 2 squirts, and then I rub it around, and then I just start folding and mixing.
So what does this lotion do?
The lotion makes it makes it smell good, and it makes it stretchy. So you know how last time it wasn't like that stretchy, right? And now it's stretchy. Here we go. That didn't really work. And time for the popping. I hope you guys enjoyed this slime video. Yeah. So, a lot of things I have to tell you. These slimes are not edible. As you can see a sign here that says not edible. Slime is not edible. It'll kill, or not kill you, but it'll hurt you. It'll stop you from breathing. Edible means vegetables.
Non-edible means you can't.
Yes, and edible means that you can, which is vegetables and apples. And non-edible,
Edible is just, you can eat it.
only if you make edible slime.
Okay,
So yeah, and this is the one I just made, which is, I really love it.
so is there a tip you can leave for the kids who want to try out the slime?
A tip I want to leave is have fun on what you are making and experiment Can't go wrong. And just try. You could do it. Just my tip for you guys is try. You can do it. So yeah. Oh, like and subscribe. And
More episodes will come out.
more episodes of Ava's Corner will come out. Challenges, DIYs, and we done here.